Welcome back to RVenture Life, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are opening the doors to an absolute stunner of a diesel pusher. This coach represents one of the most incredible luxury diesels you will find. It looks and feels like it just rolled off the line, ready for your adventures. Take a look at this gorgeous exterior presentation. This coach features a high-end multi-stage full-body paint finish with an automotive-grade clear coat. The beautiful blend of modern grays, soft earth tones, and deep metallic charcoals gives this coach a sophisticated, commanding presence on the highway. Because it's full-body paint, it has a depth and shine that cheap vinyl graphics simply cannot touch. No peeling stickers or fading lines to worry about here. This finish is built to last for decades. This floor plan features 3 large slide-outs that completely transform the interior into a spacious residential layout. As we walk the passenger side, notice the dual-power patio awnings equipped with integrated LED light strips, creating a massive, continuous shaded outdoor living space for your campsite. You also have premium slide topper awnings over every single slide to keep debris and rainwater away from your seals. Throughout this walk-around, notice the polished aluminum wheels and the sleek frameless dual-pane windows that add to the high-end look while providing superior climate insulation. From the integrated side view cameras to the massive one-piece windshield, every single line reflects modern luxury. Around the back, you'll find a heavy-duty 10,000 lb trailer hitch built to tow a full-size vehicle or a heavy trailer with absolute ease. Let's move down to the basement. This coach sits on a heavy-duty Freightliner raised rail chassis featuring Thor's proprietary Atlas foundation. The Atlas foundation is a heavy-duty steel cage system that reinforces the chassis rails, providing unmatched structural strength, an incredibly quiet ride, and a rock-solid feel on the highway. With full air ride suspension and full air brakes, this coach delivers that signature smooth floating ride that eliminates driver fatigue. Powering your journey is the reliable Cummins 6.7L ISB diesel engine producing 340 horsepower and 700 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the Allison 6-speed automatic transmission with an electronic shifter. This powertrain is a proven workhorse offering exceptional fuel efficiency for long-distance cruising, while giving you plenty of muscle to climb steep mountain passes. When we open up the storage doors, you'll see the massive advantage of that raised rail design. Full pass-through basement storage compartments with tons of room for your folding tables, lawn chairs, and heavy gear. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center featuring a 32-inch TV, perfect for tailgating or enjoying a movie under the stars. For your utility power, we have a large Onan 6.0 kW quiet diesel generator mounted on a convenient slide-out service tray. This provides more than enough juice to run your dual-roof AC units and all your appliances simultaneously while dry camping. You'll also find a 50-amp electrical service with a screw-in detachable extension cord, a premium Magnum inverter charger, and handy battery disconnects to manage your power efficiently. Let's head inside. Step up and you are immediately going to notice how expansive, bright, and completely residential this interior feels. Because of those 3 enormous slide-outs, the interior volume is absolutely spectacular. You have a beautiful modern aesthetic with premium flooring, high-gloss cabinetry, and top-tier fixtures. It features an open-concept flow that connects the front living salon and the kitchen beautifully. Between the king bed, the overhead bunk, the sleeper sofa, and the dinette, this coach can comfortably sleep up to 8 people. The full gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream on the road, featuring beautiful solid surface countertops and premium stainless steel appliances. We have a custom extendable countertop section with a built-in cutting board that pulls out to give you incredible extra space. The stainless steel residential sink and high-rise pull-down faucet make prep and cleanup a breeze. The cabinet and drawer storage throughout this entire galley is outstanding, providing an abundance of room for all your pots, pans, and dry goods. It is a clean, bright, and highly functional workspace. Moving down the hall, we find the private bathroom. The standout feature is the large shower enclosure with solid glass doors and a built-in skylight overhead. You have a solid vanity with a sink, plenty of medicine cabinet and mirror storage, a toilet, and a high-volume power vent fan. It's clean, bright, and highly functional. Right across from the bathroom, we find a dedicated utility closet housing a premium stackable washer and dryer system. Having separate residential-size machines is a massive luxury for full-timers. Welcome to the master retreat. This is your private sanctuary at the back of the coach. You have a massive king bed situated in its own dedicated slide-out. You have your own dedicated 32-inch TV mounted perfectly across from the bed, along with a spacious wardrobe closet and a massive bank of deep built-in drawers. Large windows let in great natural light. A solid sliding door keeps it quiet and peaceful. As we walk back through the hallway and into the living salon, you can really appreciate the natural residential flow. The triple slides create incredible width, making it easy for a big family to move around without ever feeling cramped. Settling into the driver's seat, you are sitting in a heavy-duty command center with a commanding view of the road through that massive windshield. All the controls are intuitively laid out right at your fingertips. As we step back outside, it is easy to see why this coach is such a premier choice. To recap, you are looking at a premium diesel pusher featuring a reliable Cummins engine, a Freightliner chassis with Atlas foundation, a king bed, a power drop-down bunk, sleeping for 8, an exterior entertainment center, stackable laundry, and that gorgeous full-body paint. Thanks for watching RVenture Life. Happy camping!